Hello, everyone, and welcome to Listen and Understand English. I'm Peter.
And I'm Laura. Hello, Peter. How are you today?
I'm doing great, Laura. I'm feeling very happy and very full.
Oh, full. Why is that?
I went to a wonderful new Italian restaurant last night. The food was incredible.
That sounds lovely. You know how much I enjoy Italian food.
I do, which is funny because I almost never see you at restaurants.
You are right about that. I usually prefer to eat at home.
I know, and I am the opposite. I love eating out. I think we should talk about that today.
That is a great idea. Eating out versus cooking at home.
So, for me, the best part of going to a restaurant is the experience. You walk in, someone shows you to your table, and you get to look at a menu with so many choices. I love having so many options.
Right. You don't have to decide what to make from scratch.
Exactly. And I love trying new things, foods from different countries, or special dishes I would never try to cook myself.
I can understand that. It can be an adventure for your taste buds. What did you eat last night?
I had a dish called lasagna. It has layers of pasta with meat sauce, cheese. It was so delicious.
Oh, I love lasagna. I make it at home sometimes. Was the restaurant busy?
Yes, it was very lively. There was music playing softly, people were talking and laughing. I love that kind of atmosphere.
That does sound nice. A lively atmosphere.
It's so different from being at home, and the best part,
What's that?
no cooking and no cleaning. After you finish eating, you just pay the bill and leave. No dishes to wash.
Yes, the dishes. That is a very good point. I do not enjoy washing dishes.
So tell me, Laura, why do you prefer to cook at home? I get tired just thinking about all the preparation and work.
For me, it is not work, it is relaxing.
Relaxing? Really? How is it relaxing?
Well, I put on some of my favorite music in the kitchen. I enjoy the process of chopping vegetables and smelling all the different spices and herbs.
That does sound enjoyable.
Also, I can experiment with new recipes.
I see, a creative time.
Yes, and I have complete control over what I eat. I know all the ingredients are fresh. I choose everything myself at the market.
Right, so you know exactly what's in your food.
Yes, I can make the food exactly how I like it. If I want something more spicy, I add more chili. If I want it less salty, I use less salt.
That makes a lot of sense. You are the chef of your own kitchen.
Exactly. And honestly, Peter, it is much cheaper.
Okay, you are definitely right about that. Eating out can be very expensive, especially if you do it a lot.
It can. For the price of one meal at that Italian restaurant, I could probably buy ingredients to cook for 3 or 4 days.
Wow, 3 or 4 days. That is a big difference.
It is. I like saving money, and I also like knowing my food is very healthy.
Right, restaurant food can sometimes have a lot of butter and salt.
It can. It tastes good, but it's not always the best for you if you eat it every day.
So let me see if I understand. You love cooking because it's relaxing, creative, healthy, and it saves money.
That's right.
And I love eating out because I can try new foods, I enjoy the atmosphere, and I don't have to clean up afterwards.
It seems we both have good reasons for our preferences. There's no right or wrong answer.
I agree. But tell me honestly, don't you ever get tired of cooking every single night?
Of course, sometimes after a long day at work, the last thing I want to do is cook a big meal.
So what do you do then?
On those nights, I might just have something very simple, like a salad or a sandwich, or I might order a pizza to be delivered.
Ah, so you sometimes eat restaurant food too.
Yes, sometimes. It's a nice treat. It's about balance, I think.
Balance. I like that. I probably should try to cook at home more often. It would be better for my wallet.
And maybe I should go out to a restaurant more often for a special treat.
It's a deal. It's nice to have both options available to us. You know, Laura, hearing you talk about cooking is inspiring. I've always been a bit intimidated by it. How did you learn to cook so well?
Oh, that's sweet of you to say, Peter. I learned from my grandmother. She taught me that cooking isn't just about following instructions, it's about putting love into what you make. That was her secret ingredient.
That's a lovely sentiment. It's true. A meal made with love always tastes better. Well, our time is almost up for today. This was a fun conversation, Laura.
It was. It is interesting how we can have different habits but still understand each other.
Absolutely. And to all our listeners, we hope this conversation was helpful for your English practice.
Remember to listen a few times to catch all the new words. Words like atmosphere, ingredients, and delicious.
Thank you for joining us today on Listen and Understand English.
Goodbye, everyone.